Phato Ecotourism Zone is one of the most sought-after zone around Corbett National Park. Though Phato is relatively a small zone, but the zone is always in demand for frequent tiger and elephant sightings. I came to Corbett with my family for a family get-together at my friend's house, who is also a naturalist from Corbett. But a Corbett trip is always incomplete without a safari. If you also want to book your safari in Jim Corbett National Park, you can contact the number shown in the screen. At the start of our safari itself, we observed some spotted deers around, but decided not to stop for them. After moving forward a little bit more, we came across a beautiful bird known as the pied hornbill. The hornbill was busy feeding on a fruiting tree, thus we got good amount of time to observe its behavior. After our encounter with the hornbill, we started exploring the forest again.
ओम भाई,
हाँ जी सर।
तो अभी फाटो में कौन सा टाइगर का एक्टिविटी है?
टाइगर यहाँ पे जो ग्रीन वाटर होल्स में बैठती है साइड त्रिशूला,
अच्छा,
उसका एक कप का साइटिंग हो रहा है, उसकी साइटिंग हो रही है। बाकी कैंपस वाली जो है फीमेल
नागकटी,
हाँ नक्कटी, उसकी साइटिंग होती है।
और मेल
3 का मेल का तो कभी कभार ही है।
हाँ, वो शाही है बहुत।
हाँ, बहुत शाही मेल है यहाँ पे। समर में बहुत अच्छा दिखाता मेल यहाँ पे। बाकी देखते हैं यहाँ पे।
बाकी चलो। और लास्ट साइटिंग मेरा लग तो फाटो में तुम्हें पता ही है।
लास्ट तो आज मॉर्निंग में दिखा था टाइगर कुछ गाड़ियों को। हम तो ग्रुप में थे, वहीं पे जा रहे हैं अभी लोग देखते हैं।
ठीक है, तो हम अभी डायरेक्ट ग्रीन पे जाएंगे।
हाँ, ग्रीन के आसपास के एरिया में ही वहाँ पे मूवमेंट है थोड़ा बहुत।
ठीक है। So we are the first jeep today to enter, and the first jeep always has an advantage. We can track the fresh pug marks, and there are chances of sudden encounter as well, so that's good. So today is actually Friday, so I don't think there will be too many jeeps, so let's see.
During a safari, the biggest prize is probably the sight of a Royal Bengal tiger. But in order to find one, we need to look for the clues. However, the forest was absolutely silent. There was no alarm call to be tracked. Hence, we decided to move towards a natural water body where the tiger might come to quench its thirst.
So right now we are at this water body. So this is known as the Malkund, the last water body of Phato zone, and we found a turtle, but I'm not sure which species it is. I'll have to check it up.
Not just the turtle, we found a jungle owlet near the water body as well. And to be honest, it was little unexpected to be able to find an owlet in such harsh sunlight. But the owlet was actually very bold and least bothered by our presence.
So we are now leaving the water body, and we'll check the other parts.
While moving away from the water hole, we noticed that the deers are roaming freely without any fear. So we understood that the predator is not around.
So we got to know that one jeep has spotted a cub, and everybody is here waiting right now, expecting the cub to come out again. Let's see, we are also waiting. So we'll wait here for a while, and if there is no alarm call or any activity, then we'll move towards my favorite part of the zone. They call it 100 acre. Amazing forest, and there are chances of great slaty woodpeckers over there as well, so it's good for birding as well, and sometimes sloth bears are also seen there. So yeah, that part of the forest is super dense and I absolutely love it. So let's see if there is any activity over here, then we'll move there.
As the cub did not come out, we started moving towards my favorite part of the jungle, which they call the 100 acres. This particular patch, in my opinion, is the most beautiful and most dense patch of the entire phato ecotourism zone. Sometimes, while chasing tigers, we forget to appreciate the habitat around, which is actually very unfortunate.
So this place is known as 100 acre. We have not reached the high ground, so you can actually see the whole river bank area from there. And this is actually a territory of a big male tiger, though he is very shy and not easily seen, but I have seen his pug mark in one of my previous safari. It was massive, and the habitat is also very good. Let me show you the habitat. I had seen great hornbill as well in this area. Not sure if you will find anything good.
कुछ ना
So everybody is trying to gather info. Generally I like this area because not many jeeps explore this part of the forest, but it seems like a lot of them have entered this area today.
After we reached the high ground of the river bank, we could only see monkeys playing on the riverbed. Also, at the far distance, we could see a lot of deers comfortably grazing. We understood that in this particular area also, there is no tiger activity.
ये रोड क्रॉस किया अभी?
हाथी तो गए क्रॉस करके।
नहीं, वो तो गया है, वो तो पूप से पता चल रहा है, डंग से, लेकिन मतलब दिखा क्या?
चीतल कहाँ बोल रही थी?
अलार्म कॉल चल रहा है।
मैंने बस डियर देखा।
डियर का तो अलार्म कॉल चल रहा है। So this is why we are waiting right now. See, spotted deer is shouting at the top of its lungs.
After the spotted deer alarm call had stopped, we decided to leave that area and explore the other part of the forest. And near a water hole, we noticed a big elephant herd is passing by. One tusker only had stopped to drink some water, but he also left very soon. As the tusker left, we realized our safari time is about to be over. Hence, we started moving towards the gate. On the way, we found that our road is blocked by another group of elephants. Two little babies and their mother were busy eating right beside the safari track. And we were absolutely delighted with the last moment unexpected sighting. Though I had seen elephants many times before, but no other encounter was this close. And most certainly, I had never seen such calm and composed group of elephants before. Though the elephants are called as gentle giants, in most occasions, they actually don't prefer humans around them. After looking closely, I noticed one of the baby elephant was actually a tusker, and I had never seen such a small tusker in my life before. We realized our safari time is over and we have to reach to the gate. So we had to trust the giants, and slowly we started driving in front of them. As we started moving, the mother elephant became cautious, but still she didn't charge. And with that, we concluded our safari.